So here we got my new Rabaconda street bike tire changer. We'll unbox it with you and see if I can get it put together and see how hard it is to put together without instructions, because that's how I roll. Who needs instructions for anything? Okay, box open here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? And wow, looks like we put some effort into the owner's manual, operator's manual. Sorry. So that's right on top there. Get the bag that comes with, so you can take it down, tear it apart. All right. Let's see what we got here. This should go right about there. Handle for it. So far I'm impressed with build quality. Feels good. So there's the handle. Alright, I got my drop center tools. I got 2 of those. Came with. We got the 2 legs. Clamp. So I believe that sits right there. Yep. I have not read the instructions, you just saw me open it. So, right there. Comes with one stone with one protective end. So, just like that. Get these boxes open, see what's in these. There's the ratchet piece. Let me check the camera, make sure you guys can see this whole thing real quick. Yeah, let's raise this up some. Alright, there we go, that's better. Alright, so that and that. This is a smaller center one. And those pieces. Here's the saw. Put in there. Alright. Why do I feel like something wrong here? Hang on. We got these. Worm sets against. These are the riser blocks for them. We got these pieces that make the rim sit nice on there. Okay, so this goes up top. Yep, I get it, I get it. Amateur hour here, but that's what happens when you don't read instructions. So we'll throw that in there. Extra spacer, which seems to fit right in there for the small one. we don't need right now, so we'll throw all these back in the box. And let's see. Okay. Wow, those are some strong magnets. These really just loosen up. Squeezes on there. In case your tires, you have a tire that sits higher, whether it be due to like the brake caliper or something. Yeah. This is the piece that does all the work. Don't really need it on right now, but it's pretty slick. Straight with you. Might have to read the instruction manual because I don't know what these extra ones are for. There we go. Tighten that up a little bit. There we go. Extra parts. Good enough. So there. Rabaconda tire changer. That quick. So, obviously, slide it in, turn it, locks in, break your bead. Once you do that, you pop it out, you come over here, slide it in, and then you do your ratchet. Work the duck head around, so on and so forth. Obviously, when I go to do a tire, I'll show you guys a little better, but so yeah, that goes together pretty easily. I've watched a couple YouTube videos on that being used, so tomorrow I'm going to give it a shot on the Kawasaki Mean Streak that I'm about to do tires on. Then I got my personal Honda VTX I'm throwing a couple tires on. So it's going to get 4 tires done right off the bat here soon, and we'll try her out. I'll tell you what I think of her. But that's what it is, straight out of the box. Seemed well packaged. The bag's kind of cool. I can't say as I'll ever be packing it up and taking it anywhere, but you know what? It's always an option. It goes together in, it'll take me a minute and a half, 2 minutes without even doing it before, so even faster next time. Yeah, for the price of it, I'm hoping it works pretty damn good because it was not cheap. But tomorrow we'll find out, and I'll throw the video up of my first experience with it. And yeah, all right, stick around if you want to see me put it to use. Thanks for watching.